Hello friends, how are you? You are supposed to be quite fine. Friends, here I used the term supposed to, which means expectation or anticipation. We can use this phrase supposed to in our day-to-day conversation so as to glorify our communication skill. If you also want to sound like native speakers, you are highly recommended to watch this worthy video till the end. In this video lecture, we will observe the uses of supposed to in various situations. So please stay tuned and get benefited from this intriguing video. Prior to know about the concept of using supposed to in sentences, let us see the structure first. And the structure is am, is, are, was, were plus supposed to plus the first form of verb. Now let's begin. We use supposed to in 5 different conditions. One of the conditions is to express expectation. When we are expecting something to happen, we use supposed to. Look at these examples. You are supposed to join the meeting. In this example, the person is expected to join the meeting, which will be held in near future. We can also change same sentence in simple past tense as you were supposed to join the meeting. It means that you were expected to join the meeting, but actually it didn't happen. You didn't come. See the other example. We are supposed to share every small detail to our family. In this statement, it is expected that even the trivial matter is to be shared so that a strong bond could remain among the members of the family. The last example in this regard is the program is supposed to start at 5 p.m. It also gives a sense of expectation that we people are expecting that the program will start at 5 p.m. sharp. In order to express duty, responsibility, as well as obligation, we use supposed to in sentences. By the following examples, it will become clear. We are supposed to reach office on time. This suggests that it is our duty to reach office on stipulated time or given time. The next example is, being a student, I am supposed to do my homework every single day. This statement also refers to duty that one should fulfill. You are supposed to impart quality education to your son by admitting him in a reputed school. This statement gives a sense that it is an obligation of a father to fulfill his responsibility towards his son. Let us check out the last example related to duty or responsibility. Am I supposed to do all the household works? This interrogative form of a statement gives a sense that a single person is not committed to do all the household works. The next use of supposed to in the sentences is to express prohibition or restriction. Let us pay attention towards the following examples. You are not supposed to smoke in public places. It means that smoking in public places is forbidden or it is prohibited. You must not do so. The next example is I am not supposed to emanate all details discussed in the high level meeting. This statement also points out that the person is not authorized to reveal out the outcome of meeting. The next use of supposed to in the sentence is to manifest certain belief or opinion. For instance, the newly released movie is supposed to be engrossing. This statement suggests that it is the opinion of people that movie is worthy to watch. The next example is the restaurant is supposed to serve delicious food. This statement too expresses as a strong belief that food which is served by the restaurant is delicious because the restaurant has garnered a good reputation. This is Oscar English Institute of Learning, a YouTube channel. Did you subscribe my channel? If not yet, subscribe it right now and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos on time. The last use of supposed to in sentences is to express purpose. Look at these examples. Human life is supposed to be dedicated for well-being of humanity. The cellular phone is supposed to keep people in touch. And the last sentence is, my videos are supposed to elevate your horizon of knowledge. These all examples reflects the strong intention to do something. I truly believe that this video must have succeeded to clear the concept regarding the use of supposed to in sentences. If so, then like this video, share with your friends and drop the comment in comment section, since positive comments encourage me to make such beneficial videos. This much for now. We'll meet in next video lecture. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.